How to fix display black and white on Samsung phone. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some most common solutions we can follow up in order to fix that issue. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So open up settings app for that and we can disable color correction. So go ahead and open up the accessibility section, tap on it, and within accessibility, select visibility enhancements. Inside here, we'll be finding different options. We can tap on the option called color correction. And here we can just go over and toggle the switch off here. And that should do it. That is one of the methods we can follow up in order to fix it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can turn off sleep mode or bedtime mode. So go to settings. And we can look out for the option called sleep. So go ahead and search for sleep. And tap on it, bedtime mode, such kind of options, and we can just go over and tap on it and turn it off, because Samsung's sleep mode can also turn the screen black and white to reduce the eye strain. And if the problem still persists, we can restart our phone, hold the power button and look out for the option called restart. Sometimes a simple restart clears out the temporary software glitches. We can just go over and do so. If the screen remains black and white despite these settings, it may be a hardware issue needing service. So for now, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.